So the focusing is working for video as well. Look at that. And beautiful with the fly with the victim. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I have this close-up lens from KASE, and it's meant for full frame camera or any of your mirrorless camera, APS-C or full frame. I'll be using a Canon 100mm f2 lens. This is not a macro lens, this is a portrait lens, right? So I want to see what magnification this can give this, and so I can do my macro on this 100mm f2 and with this close-up lens from KASE. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Let's open it up. Let's just put the box to the side. And this is with the adapter ring. They gave some ring adapters here. So wonder what size it is, but I have my own. So manual and another adapter as well, 260 is 72. So 67 to 77 and 72 to 77. So they did give some nice adapters, and wow, very, very premium looking case to cover the case lens. So case to case, right? So beautiful, beautiful. I love this. Look at that. Such a beautiful quality. And this is heavy. This is huge. This is a very thick lens. Look at the thickness, right? So 77mm. It looks like your magnifying glass. Look at that, beautiful. I think you can even use it for this. Look at that, my camera here. It's the action cam. Look at that. Wow, I can even use it for that. So I'll try to play around with this. We'll put this on my camera and do some macro photography with this. Okay, this is how it looks like after threaded onto the 100mm f2 lens and with the adapter to 77mm. This is 58 to 77. And oh, beautiful. Look at that. I like KASE because they have very good filters. They make very good filters, right? So the clarity of the glass is superb. They have superb coating, which reduce all the reflection and the glare. So let's try out on the close-up macro, and then we'll see how good the pictures come out and how clear it is. Look at that. That's the fly with the victim. It's so sharp. So let's try to get more of it because it's hard to get hold of this guy. Yeah, because the working distance is so good, I don't disturb it. And the picture is so sharp. So if I couple this with the actual macro, I'll get greater magnification. But because this is 100mm f2, it's not bad. So look at that, super sharp, right? So I couple it with the 100mm f2, which is not a macro lens, but I managed to get some macro shots out of this. Best is matched with your macro lens, and it's very, very clear, very sharp. I like it. Reduce the glare and reflection as well. So hope you like the pictures and the video. So see you on the next one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.